Hello everyone, this is Guitar Gamer 56 here. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to play All of Me by John Legend. You're going to want to start off, you want your capo on the first fret like that. And you're going to need 4 chords: E minor, C, G, D. And if you know the song, you know you strum 3 times each. So you go E minor, C, so that's how you play All of Me by John Legend. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Comment below what song do you want to learn, and I'll teach you how to play that. So see you in my next video.